Finally, you can add some more accessories to your project. For example, in the furniture line, of course, we've got lots of tables, chairs, screens, chaise lounges. We'll just throw a couple in. They can be placed in and rotated, of course, as you see fit. So these little features help embellish the plan and really make it look more realistic and more inviting. And some of the other accessories that you might be interested in as well is when you look at arbors and trellises. These are handy, especially if you want to go over a walkway. For example, we'll take that over to our side walkway here, and we can give that a bit of rotation, and there, that's over the walkway. Could be over there, could be near the gate. And back into landscape lighting, you could go in and put these bollard lights in. There's different sorts of lights that you can put in, small lights. These will require rotation when you put them in. So I like the bollard lights are quite handy because you can put them in quickly, and it really adds to the nighttime scene. If you set the environment settings, and I'll show you where that is, over up on top here, and you go to environment settings and you go evening, everything will turn dark, but you'll have the lighting. So now you can see, now only the ones that are highlighted will light up in the edit view. Once you do your walkthrough, everything gets lit up like nighttime with lights. It's quite attractive. Now I'll set my environment back to morning or noon. I prefer both of those. For the walkthrough and for the videos, you can create wind that'll move the trees, wildlife such as butterflies and birds. You can affect the volume of that as well. So now wanted to show you something interesting about water features. Of course, you've got your regular fountains that you can place in too, and these can be scaled and placed anywhere on your patio. There's a whole host of also planters available. One neat thing that I like about the waterfall, if you open that up and you go to the very top, you'll see these flowing water spillways. These are used for, if you're also might recognize the name water weir, and if you take this and you can place it anywhere. So if I wanted water coming out of the side of this this grill island, I would place it here and raise my elevation a bit, and then as soon as that I'm in the walk-through mode, water would be pouring out of here, and it could be right into a pond or a pool. Very useful if you're designing a water feature custom with Unilock products.